We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Stephen and Melissa. This is not the beginning of a new relationship, but an acknowledgement of the next chapter in their lives together. Today, they will affirm this bond formally and publicly. Stephen and Melissa will mark their transition as a couple not only by celebrating the love between themselves, but by also celebrating the love between all of us. Without that love, today would be far less joyous.
You are my adventure,
My home,
my light,
the resting of my bones,
and if I have to find you, then I'll go where the sun meets the sea.
or where the moon meets the river,
If it's you,
then it's me,
may you place rocks in my hand,
or flowers in my hair,
whatever the burden.
whatever the glory,
If it's yours,
it's mine to share.
We were sitting out around a bonfire, and I said, "Stephen, how was your first outing?" And he said, "It was great. We went hiking, and then we had a bonfire." And I said, "Oh, who was there?" And he said, "Me, 3 dudes, and a crazy chick." And I will tell you, I thought, he's gonna fall in love with that crazy chick, and he did.
So Melissa is a blessing because she knows his capabilities and she pushes him to be better. And the amount of time I've got to spend with Melissa, it's very obvious. She's not a quitter. She's not a pushover. She's extremely determined, strong, and capable. And the two of them are going to do some serious damage on this world.
Over the years, our friendship has seen so much, from dance floors to cat attacks, from trips to Florida to seeing Flo Rida. I know you and Stephen are going to be set up so well, not only with a lifetime full of happiness, but also a lifetime full of litter box cleanings. And I'm really excited to see what adventures are going to come. I love you both, mega.
One night before they were dating, the 3 of us went to Perkins for a late night dinner. I asked them when they thought of love, what color came to their mind. Me and Stephen both said a fiery orange red, and Melissa, being the poetic wonder she is, said blue. I said, "Why blue?" She said, "It's like the ocean." And I said, "The ocean is calm, love isn't really calm." She replied, "Have you ever been taken by a tidal wave? You were describing the love you would eventually share. Passionate and fiery like red, overwhelming and encompassing all at once like a blue tidal wave." Thank you two for a beautiful night, one we will never forget. We love you both so much and wish you so much joy.
I loved you before I knew you.
And I'll love you long after we're both gone. Time is only real when I'm spending it with you.